and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Lavonne. This is my kitchen, and guess what we are doing? We are doing part 2 of our sorbet. And guess who we have with us today? We've got 7-year-old Cameron here who helped us make it. And of course, he's gonna be here to help us finish it. So what we've done so far, we made it, and guess what flavor it is? It's mango. We sat it in the freezer for 24 hours, and today we're going to put it on our Ninja Creami and blend it up and make it into a sorbet, okay? So, you can see it's frozen solid. So, put that in there, Cameron. Did you tell everybody hi?
Hi.
Okay, now put that in there. Yep. And then we're gonna put our lid on here. Gonna put it on. Let's turn it on. How about that? Okay. Then we're gonna twist it up. And then there's a setting on here for sorbet. We're just gonna push the sorbet setting and let it go. So, if you know me, you know I like to eat. So I'm going out to dinner today, so I'm a little on the dressed up side, yes. But I'm going out to dinner today, and I like to eat at restaurants, but you know I like to cook my own food. So for dessert, I'm gonna have my own homemade sorbet. It's the mango sorbet. If you have not seen my other videos with the pineapple and the raspberry sorbet, make sure you check those out. Those were absolutely delicious. So we're gonna let this blend, and I think it takes about 3 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, by the sounds of things, it's winding down, and what happens is there's one setting on here for sorbet, but then there's another setting on here for respin, and the respin is what will make it real creamy, and I like mine's creamy, okay? So it's done. As you can see, you don't hear it anymore. It's done. So what I'm gonna do, take it down. Now I'm gonna put it back up and hit the respin button. And it only takes like a minute to respin. And then it'll be done and we can taste our mango sorbet. All right, it's done. Only took a minute. Let's get this down from here. Take it out. And what you do, you push this button right here and that opens the lid. So we're gonna take our lid off. Look at how nice and creamy that is. Can you put that in the sink for me, Cameron? Thank you. So, I'm ready to taste. Are you ready to taste?
Yes.
All right. So we got our ice cream scooper. We're going to take us a scoop, put it in a bowl. So if you noticed, I made 3 of these. If you watched part 1, I made 3 containers. And what I'm gonna do is I've got these little plastic containers. I'm gonna fill these up and just put them in the freezer. And that way, my creamy containers will be empty for me to make another flavor, because I'm making some vanilla later on tonight, okay? Alrighty, look at this. Isn't that cute? Okay. All right, Cameron, I'm gonna give you a spoon. I'm gonna take a spoon and just get a little bit. And let's go. Mmm. Oh my God. It's so good. It's so good. It's good. Oh my God. If you like mango, oh, and it's creamy. Look at, oh my God. It's so soft and creamy. It's like a soft serve ice cream almost, but it's a sorbet. It's just fruit. And if you didn't see part 1, make sure you watch part 1 so you can see exactly how we mixed it and got everything together. Oh my God, this is good. So I did make some for a couple of my friends, and they may come over and taste it later on as well. So my neighbors came upstairs. They're going to taste the sorbet. I made extra, so I made them some, but I wanted them to taste it and let you guys know what it tastes like. So let's give them each a little bit. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to introduce you. I have Miss Jennifer and Miss Mary Ann.
Blanche.
Oh, that's right. We're the Golden Girls.
And Rose.
Exactly.
I took my sorbet home.
Okay, that's okay. We're going to give you guys just a spoonful, just enough to taste.
Okay.
And you guys go for it, and you tell them what you think.
Okay.
It's mango sorbet, remember? I think this was their idea because I was trying to come up with another flavor. So they wanted mango.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just a little bit tart, but it's good.
Okay.
Tart and sweet.
There you go. What do you think?
It's delicious.
All right. So we got 2 more people that says it's delicious. So I need you guys go out there, try it, and let me know what you think. All right.
good.
And guess
So
what? We'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.
Bye. Oh, it's delicious.